All right, now we need to create labels. To do this, you go to Mailings. First step is to start mail merge. Hit on that and go to labels. It will ask you to put in label information. So you're looking for Avery A4, A5, and you're looking for C2160.
Avery A4, A5.
A4, A5, and C2160. So I'm scrolling down to get the C2160. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I missed it already. No, there's the C. This can be a bit laborious.
Is this a new blank document now again?
Yeah, blank document.
I don't even know if I've done this one right, but
We can check later.
21.
how do I know if it's saved?
You would have saved it. Should be in the documents. Okay, C2160, go OK. Nothing happens, nothing's supposed to. Then you select recipients, use existing list. You're going to go back to wherever you saved accounting addresses, click on that and open. Okay, you'll see that next record comes in. You're going to insert merge field, full name.
Good.
Then you're going to hit shift enter. Insert merge field,
Okay.
address, shift enter. Insert merge field city, shift enter. Insert merge field county. Okay. Then you're going to go to update labels and you'll see that the fields go across. Then you're going to preview results and you see that your addresses are like so. Hit finish and merge, edit individual documents, OK, and then file, save as, and you're going to save as accounting labels. And as accounting labels, I've already saved this, so I'm going to replace the existing file. Okay, but you won't because it's your first time doing it.
I was too busy looking for that C2026.
Okay, I'll do it again. All right, so
It's a black
I go to,
document.
Maybe not.
okay, so I'm going to go real slow.
That's
Okay,
fine.
I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. Okay, and I'm going to go to mailings. I'm going to go to start mail merge. And I'm going to go labels. This, because I put it in before, this is where it automatically goes. I hit Avery, A4, A5, and then you have to scroll down,
What's A4, A5?
because that's the one that's telling you to do. It's the instructions.
Okay, I see it
It's
now.
instructions, okay? And then you're going to go to C1, 2160. So you just have to scroll down until you get to C2160. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is everyone okay with that? And we go okay. Are you all right, Gina? Michael?
It's still blank.
I'm getting an
Yeah,
error.
that's it. It should be blank.
I'm getting an error coming up. Do I need
Nothing
to close
happened.
off?
No, that's it. The arrow there should be there. Yeah, the little arrow should be there. That's fine.
No, an error, sorry.
Okay.
Oh,
So,
okay.
labels,
Gillian, can you look and see?
Okay.
no, go back. May have 10 minutes if you will click OK.
This one then.
In order to apply it,
It's
let's
just-
say let's-
The contents of document 3.
Yeah, it's just press it. You have press space or
Okay.
something.
Is that all right?
and then we'll get your name in the footer.
Try this.
Is that the bottom?
So then you use existing list.
Here you go.
You go to select your city.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And then you go to documents or wherever you saved the accounting addresses.
Where's
And-
the counting letters am I looking for?
No, you're looking for accounting addresses
Right,
and go okay.
Yeah.
And you should have that.
yeah. This is so much to remember, isn't it?
Okay. The next thing you do is insert the merge field, full name, hit shift and enter. Address 1, shift enter. City, shift enter. County. Okay.
Did you put your cursor over there in the corner?
Yes,
that?
I think I must have, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It was automatically there though.
Was it?
Oh, yeah, it
Okay.
was automatically there. Okay. Then I'm going to update labels, and it's going to go across. And then I'm going to hit on preview results.
Why is insert merge field grayed out?
Is the grade going underneath that as well?
Let me put it in a second. Yeah, hold on. Okay.
Then you have,
Select.
then you have to update.
I have it in the scope.
Update labels. And then preview results.
Okay, so you have to
Finish merge.
link it with the data fields.
Where do I put the
Okay.
grade?
So no, you don't put grades because you're not going to put that on a
Oh,
label,
okay.
and then just go update labels. Yeah, and then preview results. Perfect. And now finish and merge. Edit individual documents.
So it's just as far as county,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah,
Not grade.
because you're not going to put the grade in. They get a shock when it arrives through their mail. Edit individual documents. Okay, and then save it. Save as. Accounting labels. Mine already
I have an
exists.
accounting oh wait, accounting adjust accounting letter.
Okay, you shouldn't have accounting labels.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
It also asks you put your name in the footer. So insert footer, blank, and insert your name.
Did we do that before we said?
So,
You can save it again then. It just has at the end, insert your name in the footer.
Where's the
so how did you do that?
I just went insert footer.
Yeah.
And then blank.
You pick one of them.
Yeah,
right?
and then you type your name.
And how do you get out of that? Because sometimes I'm left with that line.
To get out of it, you just press close.
Wait, or you get those.
Okay.
Okay. So there's your name in the footer.
But there's loads of photos. Which one?
The top
the
one.
top one, just a blank one. I ended up getting 2 pages, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to save it. Okay. Now, some of you were wondering how do I put all this on Moodle? Okay. Don't save.
So you don't say that. Yeah, okay.
Well,
Well,
no, I
sorry,
think
yeah.
that was a spare one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going on to Moodle, and I'm just going to hit it as student view to see what you can see. Okay. So I'm scrolling down, and there's no space for me to upload it, so I'm going to come back to that.